Ngai khoblei yepi ki prado ki prasnam jong jalahi barok kui khamtam yepi ki paiba nongshong shnong jong 17 North Shillong constituency but khamtam e yepi ki khon samla ki ba long kalawi ki ba long bodlom ki ba long uthet snam but ki ba long ka japiang na ka banta kala shai ngai ka ngu kadem yoblei ubla persat mansim yang aku nom mikmat namar ha ka bakut jong san senem ngah ban ai ka jubab kei ka bang la le kei ka bang la persang tinamar ta daw ngakwa ban yathu yepi baban pan pau ha ka bang adon ka jik thumu ban pli ya ka coaching class kani kalong ka wei pat ka lenti ka ban pli kham tam kala na ka banta ki khon samla ki bodon kata ka jang not ki bala ban poi sha ka thong handai namar kim don pat kala namar ka jing duk ka jing kurdu namar ka jing duna ka yo ka kot kani gandai ka wei kala ka lenti ka bang asngo ban pen pau shapi namar ngasngo ba kam dei ka banta ka jonga manch pen bit tanah ka banta ka vote van politics manch perkhat na ka banta ka election ka ban sawan ringa sngo ban komplit ka por mengini perkhat lang na ka banta kalawai jong ki paten banawan temar ka daw ngasngo ba ngadei ban ba na ka banta juga skim jonga om tang sya ka roi ka par ka development ringa sngo ru madi ban bu ka ba kerpang na ka banta ki khon samla ki jongi ha ban kentiu yaki ha ka puli puthi bat ha ka kam ka jam temar ka daw aku on pen pau khmat jong pi bagani ka jing thumu ka jonga ban play coaching class lemba ka ji ka nit bat ki wei pat ki banta ki exam kam kum ka MPSC SSC banking but civil service examination ngasngo ba kani ka dei ban shai hakmat jungi lang baro ba kham tam sa arsnam ngitip ba ka jala ka jungi kan ya san phau tuli kisnam hei ka dong jala ka jungi kei ka bang nala ban produce lane ban sei ya kita ki balong ki asset na ka banta kari baja produce jungi ngadon kan ki jing thumu bekerpang kalong bandio ban plela plenty kham tam mi ki khon sama jungi bakindon ki administrative post ki high top official post kanang ba ngila pat ban senchar dala dia yala dia temar khadaw ngakhot ngawer yepi kum khon samla ba pin sothu ba kani kam dei ka jingkwa ka jonga kum emali kum nongelam joni constituency henry ka dei namar ka jing dokam temar khadaw ngasngo ba kala dei ka por ka ba nginum shu ai do khasa ningi dok kam man hikai yepi kumno pen khwai bo pen yo yaki doka shu shu ngakwa ban pen kan mau namar ngam kwa ba ngaru dalakut kasan snem mangalong lesi uta uba pring jong pi pen kali kai ka ba ngala persang bande ye shu shu ngakwa pen kan mau ni ka por ya ka ktien jong blai lamba gospel Matthews lenong ka bakhat phra kar khat ban riu kabong kordit yau tau brio uba pelong yau wei nakini ki barit bakin bakla batkan bah bo unte do mau terlihat harendang baban peno syaduriau kordit yang aru lada ngalong kedau jong jing le bakla jongpi temar kedau kani ngaku ampan kan mau boleh mar ki por boleh ngisu honda ka basu ap ki kam ngisu honda ka ba ngisulit bani kendu iki minister iki emali iki officer kum ta terter ngim kwa shu da bamhok ngi kwa da kalenti jokau namar ngi sotu ba bakhadu kam dei tang ka kardan kam dei tang ka nam kam dei tang ka borom kon prai lut le ka di ka hok bar ka jingsha dengan penkut da ka ba ai ka nuksa man pen kan mau ba ki don lai teli ka ba kwa pen kan mau lada ngidon haka kamera ke bedung kei ka mandi bande ka bedingkong kalong ngishu thunum ngishu khnyum khram dakwa banle ye kabar pat kalong bang shu sngap bat ngim tre banle ye kabalai kalong bang inwat haydon mombati bat ngin thang man tebe chiksai timar kada wa khot aware pi ki khun samla walong pele no ikai ini ka por ke jong koridor ke jong pi jid eklanti kau pela balong kelanti ban tebe ke chiksai syakari bari ka pertai borokoi ku play shibon. First and foremost, I take this privilege to extend my greetings to all the citizens of our state. In particular, the residents in my constituency, and especially for our beloved youth, whom we consider them as the future pillar, the backbone and the brain of our state and our country at large. I would like to address through this media to our beloved resident of my constituency. As being a politician, we should not only think for next election, but moreover, we should think for the next generation. In another 2 years, now we are going to celebrate the 50th anniversary of our state. Let us ask where our state lies. Therefore, we need to produce quality leaders in different administrative posts. We should not be satisfied by being led by others. It is high time that we should take the lead. So in this regard, I am launching the coaching program like JE, NEET and various competitive exams like MPSC, SSC and banking and civil service examination. Let us not deny the fact that maybe in the past we had lived in the environment expecting or getting job through backdoor system. Let me cite an example that as a leader, we should not teach people just by providing fish. But it's high time that we should teach them how to fish. Let me also remind you from the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 18, verse 6. But whoever causes one of these little ones who believe in me to stumble, it would be better for him to have a heavy millstone hung around his neck and to be drowned in the depth of the sea. So woe to me if these 5 years of my tenure as an MLA of this constituency, if I have led a young people astray. I once again appeal to all our beloved youth, especially those youth from not well-to-do family, to come forward and grab this opportunity and make the right choice by availing yourself of this opportunity. Thank you, and may God bless you all.